Hey everyone, I made $1,000 selling digital products on Gumroad, Payhip, and Podia. Let's break down each platform and see which one's best for what. First, Gumroad. It's super easy to set up. You upload your product, set a price, and start selling fast. It's great for simple downloads like ebooks or art, but it takes a 10% fee on every sale, which adds up. It also lets you sell physical stuff and has a basic email tool. Next, Payhip. This one's awesome for flexibility. You can sell downloads, courses, memberships, even physical products. It has a free plan with a 5% fee or paid plans with lower fees. It's easy to use, has a course builder, and handles EU taxes for you. Customization is solid too. Finally, Podia. It's an all-in-one platform. You get a website builder, course hosting, email marketing, and no transaction fees on paid plans. It's perfect for courses, memberships, or webinars. Setup is simple, but the free plan has an 8% fee and limits. Now let's compare. For ease of use, Gumroad wins. It's the fastest to start. For features, Podia is the champ with its website and email tools. For cost, Payhip's free plan and lower fees make it budget friendly. If you're selling simple downloads, go with Gumroad. For courses or memberships, Podia is your pick. For flexibility and low cost, Payhip's the best. So the winner, Payhip for its balance of features, cost, and versatility. But pick what fits your needs. Thanks for watching. Drop a comment with your favorite platform. Like and subscribe for more videos.